Hey guys, it's Jackie at Cruising the Sierra Farm. So I've been super busy. I apologize. But I wanted to, first go over a couple things that have been kind of devastating here. It's how it is on a homestead, farm, ranch, where you have animals and are trying to grow food. As you know, the troubles we've been through with the rabbits, and the troubles we went through with all of the storms we had that ruined, I'm standing in a pile of ants, just all sorts of issues with the greenhouse and the mice getting the seeds and losing the bunnies, and we lost some chickens to fly strike this year, which has never been an issue for us. And then everything started going great and we're growing wonderfully. And then we got I think it's from all of the weather, we just got taken over with squash bugs. I've never quite had an issue with squash bugs. In the beginning of the year, it was fine. And then just bam. I'm going to take you and show you the first place that I noticed the problem. And that was on our zucchini. And we got a good amount of zucchini in the beginning of the year. And then I'm just going to pan down. I had to pull out a couple that were over this way. And these ones I'm leaving there because I'm afraid that if I remove these plants, that those squash bugs are then going to go to something else and ruin something else. I think I already showed you in previous videos that they ruined our sweet meat winter squash, our spaghetti squash, our butternut squash. And then, do you remember seeing how lush and beautiful my watermelons were? Well, I'm going to show you what happened. So, here we go. This is so disturbing. So disturbing. See that? That used to be lush green watermelon vines. They decimated the watermelon. There are crookneck squash over there that they have absolutely annihilated. And again, I'm afraid to remove the plants for fear then they'll start going to other things that I have growing. Of course, they don't bother the tomatoes. That's not what they're after. But then when I noticed that they got the watermelons, and I was getting tons of cucumbers, and then all of a sudden, I started noticing, why in the world are my cucumbers turning orange? Sure enough, squash bugs got to the cucumbers. So I'm trying to do things as natural as possible here. So as you can see, the vines started dying off. But look, I still have some green trying to come through. But you'll see the little botches of yellow. And look, here we go. I'm going to turn you around. Squash bugs. These are our green beans. So of course they're not on the green beans. But look at this. These are my pickling cucumbers. Look at them. Look at them. They are covered in squash bugs. I do not use pesticides, and I'm just not quite sure what to do. I did a whole bunch of reading, and that reading told me that if you do succession plantings, then you might be able to survive and get things to grow. So here's what I did. I started over. I'll show you the zucchini in a minute, but I put some of the National Pickling Cucumber seeds in the paper towel, put it in a Ziploc bag, and got these all sprouted. And now I am using my worm castings from my worm beds. Absolutely gorgeous. It's so funny that it shows up on my screen almost like a rusty brown, and it's not, it's like black. But anyway, so I've potted up these six, and I've got 6 more, and then I'm gonna have a couple leftovers. And so we're gonna get those started and rooted in. But look at, I mean, look, so good. We got a good root structure already. And I'm just gonna literally, this is, really super soft worm casting soil. So then we will just, that's a cocoon. We don't want to put the cocoon in there. Well, it would be just fine, but then we're gonna grab another one. I'll stick that down in there, push down a little bit, and cover that. And then we will water these. Oop, there's another worm cocoon. And look, see, they've woven into the paper towel. So yeah, just get these boogers growing, and we are hoping that we will have enough time to get some pickling cucumbers. I've got crocks that I need to use. So I have 2 more here. Wow, so 3 of these did not germinate. Oh no, those are spent ones. Or that one is anyway. Oh, look at the roots that went through the ply of paper towel. That's cool. Okay, so anyway, we will get these watered in and hope that we can get some. So stay tuned. If you aren't already subscribed, if you subscribe, you'll be able to follow along with this and see that we either did or did not have enough time to grow pickling cucumbers. It is now August like 12th, so we shall see. All right, y'all come back and hit that notification bell, like I said, and if you aren't subscribed, we would love it if you would do so. And stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day.